Hello, welcome back, dearies. Once again, please subscribe if you are new here and click on the notification bell to be notified on all updates and every tutorials I put here. So today we are going to do our curtains. Yeah, very nice, as you can see. So please, let's get started. Let's get into it, and don't forget to subscribe as well. So first of all, I'll need my eyelet curtains tape, a pair of scissors, my curtains eyelet, yes, this is it, and my fabrics as well. So I did 3 fabrics, so please, let's get into it. So first of all, I measured the width of my fabric. I then took my curtains eyelet tape and measured the same width as my fabric, leaving 4" lesser than the fabric. So the curtains had more 4" than my curtains eyelet tape. After cutting this out, I then went ahead and measured 2" on both sides. So from here, I placed the curtains eyelet on the curtains eyelet tape and drew a circle. So after sewing the eyelet curtains into the fabric, I folded it over again and sew it once again. Yes. So from here, I took my pencil and I drew the circles that was already in the curtains eyelet tape. As you can see, yes, that was how I was doing it. So I placed the curtains eyelet to aid me in drawing more circles into it, as I did earlier on. So from here, I took my scissors and cut out the circle that was already in the curtains eyelet tape, as you can see me doing. Yes, so I repeated this process till I was done. I'm done cutting out the circle, so I took my curtains eyelet, place it in the circle and I covered it up, as you can see. So you keep on repeating the same process as you are done. It's so easy to make. Please don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.